This is not your grandma's marketing class. I know you've heard about AI marketing and how it can grow your business, but do you really know what it is? In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what AI marketing is and how you can start using it today. There are two parts to this video. First, I'll teach you the what, and second, the how. You may have already noticed that I'm not a boring corporate type. I'm super passionate about this stuff, and I want to share that passion with you. I believe that AI marketing is the future, and that everyone should be using it. It's not just a cool new toy or a passing fad. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve real results. But don't take my word for it. Let me show you. Now back to our lesson. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and marketing is, well, marketing. So put together, AI marketing simply means using artificial intelligence to do marketing. But that's still pretty vague, right? Let me break it down for you. When we talk about AI marketing, we're really talking about using software that can automate many of the repetitive tasks involved in marketing. This means that you can focus on the more creative and strategic aspects of your work, while the software takes care of the rest. That sounds great, doesn't it? Well, it gets even better. These AI tools are also constantly learning and improving, which means that your marketing campaigns will only get better over time. One of the best things about AI marketing is that it's incredibly versatile. It can be used for just about anything, from social media to email to SEO and beyond. This means that you can use it to reach your customers where they are and deliver the right message at the right time. But wait, there's more. AI marketing is also incredibly precise. You can target your audience based on a variety of factors such as demographics, interests, and behavior. This means that you won't waste any time or money reaching people who are not interested in what you have to offer. Now that you know what AI marketing is, it's time to learn how you can start using it today. There are literally thousands of AI tools out there, so I'll just share a few of my favorites with you. First up, we have ChatGPT. This tool can help you with all sorts of marketing tasks, such as writing copy, creating content ideas, and even generating images. Next, there's Descript, which is a great tool for editing videos and audio files. Finally, let's talk about vidIQ. This tool can help you with all aspects of your video marketing, from keyword research to editing. Now that you know some of the best AI tools out there, it's time to start experimenting and see what works best for you and your business. Do not be afraid to try new things and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI marketing. And remember, you don't have to go at it alone. There are plenty of resources and communities out there to help you along the way. Now go out there and start marketing like a boss. It's time to take action and start using AI marketing to grow your business. Don't wait another minute. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. And remember, you don't have to figure this out alone. There are plenty of resources and communities out there to help you along the way. If you're feeling motivated, then you'll love this next video. I made it specifically for beginners who are looking to start their first online business. Click here to watch now. See you later, and don't forget to subscribe.